Welcome to the exciting holidays. Whether you're looking for adventure or just want to relax on March 15th and 16th, there's a celebration for everyone. Remember to send happy thoughts to those celebrating birthdays or other important events on these special days. Ides of March. The Ides of March, traditionally marked on March 15th, holds a significant place in history due to the assassination of Julius Caesar in 44 BC. This pivotal event, occurring in the heart of the Roman Republic, was not merely a political coup but a moment that irrevocably altered the course of Roman history. The death of Caesar, a figure of immense authority and ambition, precipitated the end of the Roman Republic's complex political system and set the stage for the rise of the Roman Empire. Over the years, the Ides of March has transcended its historical roots to become a symbol of betrayal and caution, immortalized in literature and collective memory, most notably through Shakespeare's dramatization in his play Julius Caesar. In contemporary culture, the Ides of March serves as a metaphorical reference to caution and the awareness of potential betrayal or downfall. Shakespeare's rendition, particularly the forewarning "Beware the Ides of March" spoken by a soothsayer, has imbued this date with a sense of foreboding. While the historical accuracy of these words remains debated, their dramatic effect is undeniable, echoing the themes of ambition, fate, and the fragile nature of power. This date's legacy encourages a reflection on the dynamics of power, the consequences of political actions, and the timeless nature of human intrigue and ambition, resonating through ages and reminding us of the complex interplay between destiny and decision. Buzzards Day. Buzzards Day is celebrated on March 15th each year, especially in Hinckley, Ohio, where it has become a local tradition to welcome the return of buzzards, turkey vultures, from their migration. The day marks the birds' consistent return to the area, a phenomenon that has been observed annually since at least 1957. The celebration includes a special breakfast of pancakes and sausages, which has become a traditional way to commemorate the day and the coming of spring. The event attracts thousands of bird lovers and visitors to Ohio, making it a unique celebration that highlights the importance of these birds to the local ecosystem and culture. The buzzard's return is linked to a historical event known as the Great Hunt of 1888, but the primary attraction for these birds to Hinckley is the area's rocky ledges and open fields, ideal for breeding. Despite the legend, it's more likely that the buzzards are drawn to the unique geological features of the area rather than the historical event. The buzzards, or turkey vultures, have a keen sense of smell and play a vital role in the ecosystem as scavengers. Buzzards Day not only celebrates the birds themselves but also provides an opportunity for the community to engage in various festivities and learn more about these fascinating creatures. World Contact Day. World Contact Day, celebrated on March 15th, is an intriguing event that originated with the International Flying Saucer Bureau, IFSB, in 1953. The idea behind the day was for IFSB members to attempt to make contact with extraterrestrial beings through a collective effort of focusing on a telepathic message. This message began with the phrase calling occupants of interplanetary craft, and expressed a desire for peace, friendship, and assistance with Earth's challenges. Despite the unique approach, there's no record of a response from any extraterrestrial entities. The timeline of World Contact Day highlights key moments related to the event and broader cultural phenomena surrounding the idea of extraterrestrial life. It began with the Roswell incident in 1947, which sparked widespread public interest in UFOs and aliens. The first World Contact Day followed in 1953, further cementing the public's fascination with the possibility of life beyond Earth. The concept even inspired the band Claudio to release a song titled Calling Occupants of Interplanetary Craft in 1976, which was later covered by the Carpenters in 1977. Additionally, the release of iconic sci-fi movies like Alien in 1979 and the extension of World Contact Day to a week in 2013, to mark its 60th anniversary, demonstrate the enduring appeal of these themes. To celebrate World Contact Day, people engage in various activities that reflect their interest in the unknown and the extraterrestrial. Hosting themed parties, learning about UFOs and aliens, watching related films, and reading up on the topic are popular ways to mark the occasion. These activities not only offer entertainment but also encourage curiosity and open-mindedness about the mysteries of the universe. National Panda Day. National Panda Day is celebrated to recognize and promote the conservation of both giant and red pandas, which are beloved animals known for their charismatic and intelligent nature. At the Smithsonian's National Zoo's Asia Trail exhibit, for example, National Panda Day is marked with various activities for pandas like Mei Xiang, Tian Tian, and the red panda pair, Asa and Jackie. The zookeepers get creative with planning the animals' activities, focusing on enrichment that encourages physical activity and mental stimulation. This can include sensory experiences, physical objects and toys, social interactions, and environmental changes to encourage natural behaviors and provide choices in their activities. Enrichment activities are tailored to the specific needs and behaviors of both giant and red pandas. For instance, giant pandas like Tian Tian are provided with puzzle feeders and toys that encourage problem-solving skills, while Mei Xiang enjoys puzzle feeders that she can manipulate with her pseudo-thumb. Red pandas participate in painting as an enrichment activity, using modified paintbrushes to create artwork, which stimulates their tactile, olfactory, and visual senses. These activities not only provide mental and physical stimulation for the pandas but also encourage natural behaviors and enhance their well-being. In addition to enrichment activities, the pandas are trained to voluntarily participate in their own health care, demonstrating behaviors such as presenting body parts for examination or participating in ultrasound sessions. This training builds trust between the animals and their keepers and serves as a cognitive exercise for the pandas. Special occasions, such as birthdays or Red Panda Day, are celebrated with unique treats or enrichment activities, further enhancing the lives of these animals in captivity. Celebrating National Panda Day thus serves multiple purposes. It raises awareness about panda conservation, highlights the importance of enrichment and health care in animal welfare, and engages the public in the lives of these fascinating creatures. National Artichoke Day. National Artichoke Day, celebrated on March 16, provides a unique opportunity for food enthusiasts and health-conscious individuals to explore the culinary and nutritional benefits of artichokes. This special day encourages people to delve into the versatility of artichokes, experimenting with various cooking methods such as steaming, grilling, and baking to discover their favorite preparations. The event not only highlights the rich, nutty flavor of artichokes but also emphasizes their role in a balanced diet, being packed with dietary fiber, vitamins, and minerals. As artichoke lovers share their favorite recipes and cooking tips on social media, the day fosters a sense of community among aficionados of this distinctive thistle, elevating its status from a mere side dish to the star of the culinary show. The celebration of National Artichoke Day goes beyond mere gastronomy. It's a nod to the rich history and cultural significance of the artichoke, tracing back to ancient civilizations where it was prized for its supposed medicinal properties. Today, the focus is on the artichoke's health benefits, including its antioxidant properties and potential to aid in digestion and liver health. Moreover, the day serves as a reminder of the agricultural heritage of places like Monterey County, California, which is renowned for its artichoke production. Whether it's through a visit to an artichoke farm or crafting art with artichoke themes, the day offers a multitude of ways to appreciate this unique plant, making it an eagerly anticipated event for enthusiasts and novices alike. National Corn Dog Day. National Corn Dog Day is an annual celebration that revolves around basketball, corn dogs, tater tots, and American beer. It takes place in March on the first Saturday of the NCAA Men's Division I Basketball Championship. The event was first held in 1992 in Corvallis, Oregon, initiated by Brady Sonau and Henry Otley. Originally, the celebration focused solely on corn dogs and basketball, but it later expanded to include tater tots and beer. Over time, National Corn Dog Day has grown in popularity and now features sponsors such as Foster Farms, PBR, and Jones Soda. The event is organized by a board of directors comprised of event hosts or city captains from various U.S. cities. By 2007, National Corn Dog Day celebrations were held in over 30 U.S. states, the District of Columbia, and Australia, with nearly 5,000 parties across 5 continents in 2008, including one at McMurdo Station in Antarctica. In 2012, Oregon Governor John A. Kitzhaber officially proclaimed March 17, 2012, as National Corn Dog Day. That's it for today. Enjoy celebrating and have a great time making special memories with these wonderful holidays.